How long does it take in 2025 to get metadata and see waveform or frequency content of an audio file? Let's see. So picture this. You've got an audio file sitting in your Explorer, and you're curious about its sample rate and how the waveform looks like. You right-click on it, navigate to Properties, and then hop over to the Details tab. You're looking at some metadata, but still no waveform in sight. If you really want to see that waveform, you've got to fire up a program like Audacity. So you wait and wait for it to finally load. Once it's up and running, you drag your file into the program. And there it is, eventually. That's a wait-a-long process, isn't it? Introducing AudioTooltip. This handy app runs quietly in the background, allowing you to instantly get a visual of your audio and dive into its metadata.
And maybe uncover a few surprises along the way.
Yeah, it looks like we're dealing with a pretty sophisticated audio analysis tool here. It goes way beyond just playing back audio. We're talking about visualizations, metadata extraction. It even uses the power of Azure's cloud for transcription. It looks like someone put a lot of work into this. So let's keep digging. There's this function called generative visualizations, and it's packed with options. It can create waveforms, spectrograms, Mel spectrograms. It seems like every visual representation of sound you can imagine. And you can even choose the quality level for those visualizations. It's like having a mini sound lab right at your fingertips.
What's really impressive is how this tool bridges the gap between something that's very technical and something that's creative. You don't need to be an audio engineer to use this. They've combined robust audio analysis with really user-friendly visualizations so anyone can explore and really understand audio on a deeper level. And it's not just the analysis part. If you look at the code for the user interface, things like the progress dialog and the settings dialog, it's all designed to be really user-friendly. This settings dialog is seriously impressive. It even lets you configure how the script connects to Azure speech services, which kind of tells us that transcription is a really important part of this whole project.
And the best